Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to deposit money onto your Pocket Option account using Binance. Now the first thing you have to do is obviously go to Pocket Option and either create an account or log into your account. Then you will find yourself on this homepage. So go to deposit here in the right. You will find two buttons, deposit in big white, you can't miss it, or this little deposit button. So let's click on either one of them, the two works. So here you will have these payment methods like Payeer, Binance Pay, Visa, MasterCard, etc. So you have two options. Either you can send money from your Binance wallet to the app using a transfer, classic cryptocurrency transfer, or you can go directly via Binance Pay. For the cryptocurrency here, you'll just have to type your amount, click on continue, and then they will give you an address that you have to send to the money. Okay, now let's go to Binance Pay and here type the amount, click on continue and pay $100. So here I have been redirected to this page. Click on continue in browser, or if you have the app, just scan the QR code and it will be pretty much straightforward. So let's just click on continue in browser. Here click on continue on browser again, and here you will have to confirm the payment. And that's it. Now it's very easy. I don't have sufficient funds in my account to do that. But here, instead of deposit now, you will have confirm payment and you'll be good. The money will be directly transferred into your Pocket Option account. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.